Do you know your worth? Sometimes if we've been in toxic relationships, we forget our value and our worth, our true worth, sometimes even our purpose in life. Have you just come out of a toxic relationship or something that was really emotionally damaging and you're trying to rebuild? I know how it feels. It takes time to find you again, but you will and you can. Don't forget your worth. Put yourself above what you've been through. That doesn't define you. You are special, you are precious, and you've got this.